I love this knife and scissor sharpener. I really like the small size and how easy it is to use. To get it going, you just put it on a smooth and flat surface that is sturdy, like this countertop that I'm using here. Flip the lever down, and then you'll get this extremely strong suction that holds the sharpener in place. There are three different sharpeners: a regular one, a fine detailed sharpener, and a scissor sharpener. And here you can see that I can get through this tomato okay, but I had to apply a little more pressure than I wanted. So to sharpen your knives, all you have to do is draw your knife across the sharpener towards you in one direction only. And you use a little bit of pressure, not too much, and only go in one direction toward you. That's very important. And then you can see that after I use this sharpener and go to slice my tomato, I can slice this tomato so much easier. I barely have to apply any pressure. It kind of goes through like butter. And then to take the sharpener off of the surface, you lift the lever and you kind of press the sharpener base, and then it will move and you can put it away. So if you are looking for a really effective sharpener that doesn't take up a lot of space, I totally recommend this one.